outdoor waterproof light. Hanging. Our contact number 0558193318.
Welcome Nujumal Nakhil electrician team. Today we'll work rewiring for the socket. Socket line is wire is damaged inside the line. This will rewire this one, remove old one and put new wiring for the socket. There is 5 socket. One by one, remove one socket to another socket, then another socket to db, like this one ring socket. We'll go there, check first db what happened, then find out this wire short circuit. This one on elcb, but after 5 minutes this shut down.